Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to be doing a lesson on fractions. We're going to incorporate a fun art activity into our fractions lesson just so that I can teach you a different way how to do it and it'll be fun. So today we are going to paint a color wheel. Our primary colors are blue, red, and yellow. And then our secondary colors are orange, green, and purple. So I'm going to go ahead and take this already made color wheel up to our board just so you have something to go off with, and then I'm going to teach you how to do it myself. Okay, so what we are going to need a set of paper towels, which each group will have at your table. We'll also need our paint paper that I am going to pass around the room. Everybody take one sheet of paper. And then I will have a paper plate coming your way. This is going to be our paint tray. I don't have any paint trays, so we're going to use paper plates as our paint tray. And then I'm also going to pass around 6 paintbrushes. I was going to give you cups of water to dip your paintbrushes in and clean them off before you switch colors, but I figured it'd be easier if you had a set of 6 paintbrushes for your group. So each student, you'll take a paintbrush, use it, and then you'll pass it to another student. And then we're going to need all of our paint colors. I went ahead and got all the colors that we need so we don't have to mix any colors, and so it'll be quicker for our lesson. If we were in a art class, we would mix our colors and make them ourselves, but since we're doing a math lesson with it, I'm just going to go ahead and have our colors pre-made for us. Okay, so to start, we know that our primary colors are blue, red, and yellow. Okay, so we know our primary colors, blue, red, yellow. Our secondary colors, is purple, green, and orange. So purple, green, and orange are our secondary colors. We're going to use the set of primary and secondary colors to make our color wheel to learn our fractions. So to start off, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to do our color wheel on the board with you. Instead of painting it, since I've already painted it, I'm just going to kind of go step by step with you on the board of how to do it, and then I'll be also walking around if you have any questions. So this is our sheet of paper. We're going to start off step 1. Draw a circle on your paper. That's the first step. So make sure you have the circle drawn on your paper. Does not have to be perfect, but just a good size circle. Once you have your circle made, we're going to make a dot in the middle of your circle. That's going to be where we segment off our lines. So then you're going to segment off 6 lines, or 6 sections. Okay, so once you have your sections made, this is where I need you to go through in pencil and lightly write the colors that you need to paint in your color wheel. So I'm going to put yellow on this one, or you can even put a Y, just so you know that this is the color you're going to have to use. So yellow, orange, red, purple, blue, green. So go ahead and label your color wheel with either you can write the name in there or you can put the letters. I just put the letters just because it's quicker that way, but you can do it whatever way you like, but make sure you do it lightly so that it's not showing through your paint. Okay, once you have that done, you're going to take a paintbrush, or you're going to, you're going to take your plate. And you're going to squirt a tiny amount of paint on your plate. Kind of hard to see, like just a small amount because we don't want to waste paint, we don't want to waste supplies. So we're going to take a small amount of paint, and then we're going to dip our paintbrush into the paint, and then we're going to paint our section yellow, labeled yellow. And we're going to do this for each section. So once you've got that done, or once you've got everything labeled and you're starting on your sections, go ahead and get as many sections done as you can today. Make sure you're sharing supplies with your group and sharing with other students. And once you're finished painting your color wheel, we're going to go through, we're going to line up, we're going to take our supplies, we're going to put our plates in the trash can, we're going to put our paintbrushes in the sink. I will wash them after class, and then we're going to lay our color wheels flat on the table by the other board, so that way they can dry. And when tomorrow comes along, we're going to use our color wheels and we are going to learn how to do fractions with them. So a quick way that, just to go ahead and show you how we would do this with our fractions, is I would say, first off, you're going to find out how many sections in your color wheel there are. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 sections. Okay? So if I say, how many yellows are there on there? Well, there's 1 yellow. So it would be 1/6 of our color wheel is yellow. And we go through and we do the other colors for that. And then we would do, if I said, how many sections is green, yellow, orange? Well, green, yellow, and orange are on here once a piece, so that would be 3 times. So we know there's 6 sections in our color wheel, so it would be 3/6, which would equal 1/2. So half of our color wheel is made up of green, yellow, and orange. So that's just the way how we're going to use this color wheel in our fraction lesson. If you have any questions, please raise your hand and let me know. And then once our color wheels are dried, we're going to hop into this fraction lesson tomorrow and Wednesday. All right, thank you.